Welcome to this video on CUET MSc, Cyber Forensics Science Entrance Test Exam Preparation. This video will cover strategies for success in the exam. Computer forensics is defined as the collection, preservation, analysis, and presentation of computer-related evidence. It is the methodical process of examining computer media to uncover evidence. Evidence can be located in various digital spaces, including electronic mail systems, network servers, and individual employee computers. Computer evidence is vital in criminal cases, civil disputes, and human resources or employment proceedings. It proves useful across various legal areas, including criminal cases, civil disputes, and HR matters, as depicted by the icons below. When experts handle duplicate data, the integrity of the original evidence is consistently maintained. Computer forensics professionals must possess the skills to perform complex evidence recovery, lending credibility to the case. A key responsibility for a computer forensics professional is establishing and maintaining a continuous chain of custody for evidence. Slack space is the remnant area at the end of a file within the last assigned disk cluster. During the forensic exam, it is crucial to protect the subject computer system from any alteration, damage, data corruption, or virus introduction. The Computer Forensics Experiment 2000 collaborates with criminal justice professionals to identify urgent and emerging technology needs. NLECTC stands for the National Law Enforcement and Corrections Technology Center. CFX 2000 is an integrated forensic analysis framework. The SI5 prototype utilizes digital evidence bags, or DEEBs, which are secure, tamper-proof containers for digital evidence storage. Computer evidence is fragile and highly susceptible to alteration or erasure due to various occurrences. The synthesizing information from forensic investigations, or SI5 integration environment, supports the collection, examination, and analysis processes in cyber forensic investigations. SafeBack is designed to overcome some of the evidence weaknesses inherent in black box computer forensics approaches. SafeBack is also used to create mirror image or bitstream backup files of hard disks for forensic purposes. Black box computer forensic software tools are generally good for some basic investigation tasks. Computer forensics is crucial for determining the existence and extent of a system intrusion. It provides valuable information about what the attacker may have gained or what they may have tried to do. The process can also help determine if any internal individuals were involved in the attack. Computer forensics also plays a role in identifying potential legal actions against the perpetrator. This discipline is crucial for preventing future intrusions and mitigating risks. It provides necessary information to enhance security measures and defense strategies. Furthermore, it helps in implementing stricter access controls and monitoring protocols. Computer forensics involves the legal and ethical gathering of digital evidence. It ensures that the evidence is admissible in court and holds up under scrutiny. Fuzzy logic tools are used to identify unknown text during forensic examination. Let's review a question. Blank is a powerful remote control monitoring tool. Computer forensics is instrumental in identifying the root cause of an attack and tracing the intruder's steps. This analysis provides concrete evidence for building a solid case against the offenders. The role of computer forensics extends beyond investigation to proactive security enhancement. It is essential for developing comprehensive and effective security policies. Computer forensics provides the foundation for robust defense mechanisms against cyber threats. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it has been helpful in your preparation for the CUET MSc, Cyber Forensics Science Entrance Test Exam.